What if you could create an architectural animation like this without learning After Effects? With the right workflow, this can be achieved in minutes with AI. Over the past few months, we've been experimenting with AI to simplify architectural presentation workflows. And one area where AI has completely changed the game is diagram animation. I always found these kind of animations to be really impressive, but honestly, I don't have the time to learn another software to create this. But with a simple SketchUp model and the right AI workflow, we are now able to create professional looking diagram animations without a steep learning curve or spending hours in keyframing manually. Animations of concept evolution, massing studies, solar analysis, or exploded diagrams can be created in a fraction of time. So in this video, we'll walk through this workflow. I'm Salman, an architect and illustrator. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so we can grow together as a design community. So let's get started. I'll be using the Magnific platform and Photoshop for this workflow. This is not a free platform and it comes with a monthly subscription. You can use any other AI platform that has the CDance 2.0 model and that works perfectly fine. You can also use any video editing software for the final edits. If you would like to learn everything about this workflow in detail, we have put together a new course called the AI Diagram Animation Mastery. In this course, you will learn how to create architectural animations using SketchUp and AI, from preparing clean models and writing effective prompts to generating smooth animations and polishing the final output. You will also get a huge library of resources to speed up your workflow, including 100 plus architectural diagram assets, AI prompts, SketchUp samples, icons and PSD files that you can reuse across your projects. The goal isn't just to create presentations that look better, but to help you communicate ideas and save hours of time instead of doing everything manually. If you ever want to make your presentations, portfolios or client submissions stand out better, this course can be really helpful to you. Check out the Gumroad link in the description to access this course.
So the entire animation process starts in a 3D software. In this case, I'll be using SketchUp, but you can use Revit or any other 3D software for this process. This is a 3D model of the mountain dwellings by the big architects. We have the main building structure here, the surrounding roads and the neighboring buildings. This should be a good example to get started. Let's first switch to the parallel projection view and we can choose the hidden line style to get clean outlines of the building. Picked a good viewpoint which covers the building entirely and we can export this from File, Export and 2D Model. Once we exported that, let's open this in Photoshop and create multiple diagrams of the same that explain the process of the form evolution in sequence. We can use the simple pen tool, or you can even use the brush tool to just draw over the structure and create the sequences. We are basically working in reverse to create each sequence, and these sequences will explain how the form has evolved, starting from a simple cuboidal form. We can also use arrows to show the evolution of each sequence. And here, I'm saving each sequence in a separate group so that it's easier for us to make edits later if we need. We can also export the shadows from the SketchUp 3D model and add it over as an additional layer of detailing. So once we've completed about 5 to 6 sequences, you can just save them as images and switch to each other to see if the sequences work well or if it needs any tweaks or adjustments. Once you're happy and you see that the sequences look seamless, you can jump into an AI platform to animate these sequences. In this case, I'm using Magnific, and the Spaces tool in Magnific is an ideal choice for this workflow. Once you placed all the images right next to each other, you can select the start frame and end frame and use CDance 2.0, which works much better than most of the AI 3D models that I've worked with. You can describe this kind of animation that you want. Just make sure that the animations that you use across multiple images have a kind of a coherent character to it. Similarly, you can use the second image and the third image to create the next sequence based on the diagram and its formation. All these sequences can be just 3 to 4 seconds because we'll be editing all of these later in the editing software. So this is the result from the first output and it looks really good. And this is the second transition using the second and third image. Similarly, let's describe the next set of images, and this is where the form is getting cut and the arrows show the direction of the volume that is being cut. And then the lines being drawn. and the final form appears, showing the final structure. You can download each of them and add it into your video editing software. In this case, I'm using Premiere Pro. We will just need to adjust the duration of each of these individual sequences so that the overall video appears seamless. You can use the time ramp and basic dissolve transitions for this. And once you do that, this is the final output.
So that is how you can create professional animation diagrams in just a few minutes with SketchUp and AI. Make sure to check out the new course, AI Diagram Animation Mastery, from the link in the description. We hope you found this video to be helpful, and if it did, please hit that like button.